Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I want to show you the 2020 Apex 191 RBS. So Apex is really dominating the ultralight market now. Part of that's going to be their aluminum framed, fiberglass, with the Azdel composite panels. Now Azdel is going to be lighter than wood, better insulator than wood. Now one of the things you're going to notice is going to have a half cap with a window up front with the rock guard. As I come through here, all of your baggage doors are going to have a magnet to hold it up, and there's a light in there so you can see at night. Solar on the side, so that'll help trickle charge those batteries. Nitro-filled tires, and then a power awning with LED lights and lights in the exterior speakers as well. As we go into the trailer, you're going to notice that we have a walk-around bed with storage underneath. Lots of wardrobe space. Space up above. And then we have a curved ceiling for taller guys like me just to get a little bit more headroom. Also LED lighting all the way through. That helps with the batteries, not drawing as much power when you're not plugged in. Nice big deep slide out on a light trailer. You can fit 4 people, and it also turns into another sleeping area. Storage underneath. As you turn around this way, you're going to see we have a double sink. More storage underneath the sink and above. 2-burner stove, microwave, and a full-size Dometic fridge and freezer. Now, a lot of competitors are going to have that smaller little combo. You can't take as much stuff as you want normally when you want to go camping. Storage up above. And then here's the kicker on this little trailer. A huge bathroom. So lots of storage to the right. Toilet, shower. Centralized AC system. If you have any more questions on this 2020 191 RBS, call Brandon Reagan at 541-214-0223 and have a great day. Thank you.